Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Final Cut Pro X and Mac OS are current because software fixes many playback bugs. Once done, free at least 20% of disk space and quit other apps to give FCPX resources. Next, remove existing render files and immediately create optimized or proxy media for H. 264, HEVC, or multicam clips. This reduces CPU/GPU load. Finally, switch background, render off, and set playback to better performance, so the app focuses on smooth playback rather than real-time rendering. Now optimize the timeline where dropped frames appear. Replace demanding source clips with 1/2 resolution or proxy files, and make sure you can relink to originals later. Proxies cut decoding overhead. Then audit effects and generators. Disable or simplify noise reduction, stabilization, and LUTs while you edit. If playback still stutters, lower viewer quality to 1/4 and render small problematic sections proactively. Also flatten or consolidate nested sequences and multicam clips to reduce real-time processing. Finish by exporting a short test clip using your intended settings to verify frame integrity. This confirms whether playback issues affect final output. Then clear Final Cut caches and render files, restart the Mac, and verify external drive transfer speeds and cables. Slow drives cause dropped frames. If problems continue, reset FCPX preferences and open the project in a new library to isolate corruption. These steps usually resolve stubborn cases. If not, note the exact clip codec and system specs when seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.